Did you know while on your weight loss journey, you can enjoy this wheat bread? Yes, this is because it's filled with so much fiber. Let me show you how you can also make this at the comfort of your home. First, we are going to be activating our yeast and we'll need some warm water, sugar. The sugar, you can take part of what you are about to use for the recipe. Okay, so I just took part of it. I added my yeast. I'm going to mix this. I'll cover and set it aside. This point is very, very important. Okay, you want to ensure that your yeast is good so you do not waste your ingredients in case you add everything together and it doesn't prove. Okay, yes, let's set this aside and work on our dry ingredients. We are going to be needing our wheat flour and also some bread flour. Yes, wheat flour and then the bread flour. I added nutmeg, sugar. Ensure to mix this until everything is well combined. Okay, it's properly mixed. Yes, create a well and go in with your margarine or butter. Yes, go in with your margarine or butter. Now you can go in with your yeast, which you have activated already, and you can see it came out so well. I added my milk, so you can add the milk in bits, okay? Yes, or your water in bits so that you do not overdo it. In case you add excess water or your mixture is too soft, you can also add some flour, but add bread flour instead of the wheat flour so it can help bring everything together. At this stage, I'm going to transfer everything onto my work surface and then I'll knead. But before then, you want to batter your work surface. I did not want to use another flour because what it's going to do is to change the taste. You know, the flour is going to be adding up to what I already have here and it will change the taste. So I use margarine or butter instead of that. And you can also do that as well. Unless of course your dough is too soft. So knead this. I did this for about 30 to 35 minutes. Yes. You can see as you knead or you continue kneading, it's everything is just coming together and you can see that for yourself. Yes, so just knead it and take your time to knead it. If you feel it's too hard, just knead for some time, leave it for about 5 minutes, and then come back to kneading. You can even leave it for about, let's say, 10 minutes, and you come back, knead again. Now it's ready. I'm going to be putting this back into the bowl. I'll cover it and I'll allow this to rise or double in size. After a few minutes, we have it double in size and we are going to be also working on it. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome, and please do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments. If you are finding this video helpful and you do not want to miss out on any video I post in the future, then you would love to click on that subscribe button and also the bell notification icon so you get notified when next I upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back once again. Do not forget to like and also share your thoughts in the comments, okay? I will see you on the other side. All the measurements will be in the description. Do well to read the description because anything that I forget to mention in this video, I'm going to be putting them all in the description. You can see my weight is more than my bread flour. Yes, that is because I want a lot of fiber. And then if you want the same thing, just follow my measurements and you'll love it so much. I'm going to cover this and then I'll allow it to also double in size before I transfer it into the oven. Okay, so cover this, allow it to rise for some minutes and then back into the oven where we are going to be baking to get our perfect wheat bread. Okay, so after a few minutes it's also done and look at this beauty. Tell me you won't try this. Okay, it's so soft and it tastes good and it has so much fiber in it. Okay, it has so much fiber. This you can see it's a lot of wheat flour. Yes. So if you're enjoying this video, or if you've enjoyed this video to this very stage and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, click on that bell notification icon so you do not miss out when I post another video. And also your comments or your thoughts are so important to me. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye for now.